Ever heard a weird noise from your car engine? Don't ignore it. So you're driving along and suddenly, you hear a strange knocking noise coming from your engine. Uh-oh, this could be a sign of something serious like engine knocking. Engine knocking happens when fuel burns unevenly in your engine cylinders. This can damage your engine over time. What should you do? First, check your car's oil level. Low oil can cause knocking noises. Next, make sure you're using the right type of fuel for your car. And if the noise persists, take your car to a mechanic ASAP. Remember, your car's engine is like its heart. Keep it healthy, and it'll keep you on the road. Don't ignore those noises. Thanks for watching. Drive safe and happy motoring.